if you're working hard, but money still feels slow, unstable, or inconsistent. This video is for you, because wealth is rarely blocked by big mistakes. It's blocked by tiny daily habits you don't even notice. Stay with me. These 5 small Feng Shui habits take minutes, but they quietly change how money flows into your life. I've seen this pattern again and again. People come to me saying, "I earn well, but savings don't grow." Opportunities come, then disappear. I feel I'm always restarting. And when we look at their home or workspace, nothing looks wrong. No broken corners, no dramatic vastu defects, just small, ignored habits repeating every day. Here's the truth most people miss. Feng Shui doesn't work because of one grand remedy. It works because of what you reinforce daily. Let me show you the 5 habits that make the biggest difference. Habit number 1, clear your entryway every night. Your main door is your wealth mouth. If shoes, bags, boxes, or clutter pile up here, energy enters tired and leaves fast. Tiny habit. Every night, take 2 minutes to align shoes, clear bags, wipe the floor once. A clear entryway sets the tone for smoother mornings and better decisions. Most people clean the house, but ignore this one spot. Habit number 2. End your workday with a clear desk. A cluttered desk doesn't mean productivity. It means unfinished mental loops. Papers, old coffee mugs, random objects equals visual noise. Tiny habit. Before you shut down work, keep only one active task on the desk. Stack or store everything else. Why it works. Your brain relaxes when space feels complete. This improves focus the next day. This next habit looks unrelated to money, but it's powerful. Habit number 3. Clean your keys once a week. Keys represent access to opportunities, people, and income. Old, rusted, unused keys signal old doors, old outcomes, old limitations. Tiny habit, once a week. Remove unused keys. Wipe your keychain. Keep only what opens current doors. Small win. People often report smoother conversations and quicker responses after this. This is where wealth shifts from effort to flow. Habit number 4. Rotate stove burners consciously. In Feng Shui, your stove is your income generator. Each burner symbolizes a source of income. Tiny habit. Over a week. Use all burners, not just one. Clean the stove daily, even lightly. Why it matters? You're training your subconscious to stay open to multiple income streams. One final habit, and this one affects long-term wealth. Habit number 5. Care for one living plant intentionally. One healthy plant beats 10 decorative objects. Plants represent growth energy, but only when alive and cared for. Tiny habit. Choose one plant. Water it consciously. Clean its leaves. Remove dead plants immediately. Placement tip. Place in the southeast for wealth growth. Place in the east for health and vitality. These habits won't make you rich overnight. But they do something more powerful. They remove daily resistance to wealth. Pick just one habit today. Repeat it for 7 days. Observe what shifts, not just in money, but in clarity and confidence. Because when your space supports you quietly, life starts responding faster.